In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom symbols on MT5. We'll walk through this step by step in a way that's easy to follow, even if you're fairly new to MetaTrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for, so you can set up your own custom symbol and start using it in your charts. First, make sure you have MT5 open and that you can see the Market Watch window. This is usually on the left side of your screen and shows the list of available trading instruments like currency pairs, indices, or commodities. If you don't see it, you can enable it from the View menu at the top and choose Market Watch. Now move your mouse over anywhere inside the Market Watch area and right-click. This is going to open up a context menu with several options related to the instruments that are displayed. Take your time here so you don't accidentally click on the wrong thing. From that right-click menu, look for the option labeled Symbols and left-click on it. This will open the Symbols window, which is where MT5 organizes all tradable instruments into different categories or groups. This is also the place where you can manage existing symbols, and importantly for us, add new custom ones. Inside the Symbols window, look for a button or link that says Add Custom Symbol. Depending on your version or layout, this may appear at the bottom or along the side of the window. Go ahead and click on Add Custom Symbol. This action will open a new dialog where you can define the details of your new instrument. From here on, you'll want to carefully follow the on-screen prompts. MT5 will guide you through fields such as the symbol name, description, number of digits, contract size, and other trading specifications. It's important to enter accurate information, especially if you're basing your custom symbol on real market data or using it for backtesting. If you're unsure about a specific field, hover your mouse over it or look for any hints inside the dialog. MT5 often provides short explanations. Once you've filled everything out, confirm and save your new custom symbol. After that, you can return to Market Watch, and if it doesn't appear immediately, you may need to search for it or enable it from the symbols list. When it's visible, you can drag it onto a chart and start working with it just like any other instrument, and that's all there is to creating custom symbols on MT5.